In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer Toncoin from your Tonkeeper wallet to Bybit. Let's get started. First, open your Tonkeeper wallet app. On the wallet page, you'll see your available coins. Select Toncoin from the list. Then you'll see options like send, receive, and swap. Tap on the send button. Now open your Bybit app. On the home page, select deposit and then choose crypto deposit. Search for Toncoin and select it. Bybit will ask you to choose a chain type. Select Ton. A warning will pop up reminding you to copy both the deposit address and memo OTAC for a successful transfer. Tap OK and copy the deposit address. Return to your Tonkeeper app and paste the deposit address in the recipient's field. Then go back to Bybit, copy the memo tag and paste it in Tonkeeper as well. Now enter the amount of Toncoin you want to send from Tonkeeper to Bybit. Once entered, tap Continue. Finally, confirm the transfer details. Once verified, the transaction will be processed and your Toncoin will be sent to Bybit. That's how you can easily transfer Toncoin from your Tonkeeper wallet to Bybit in just a few steps.